What is DNA fingerprinting? DNA fingerprinting is a technique. It is also known as DNA profiling. It is the technique which is used for determining the sequence of nitrogen bases, nucleotides or nitrogen bases in certain areas of the DNA double helix, which are unique to each individual. It remains the same in every cell, in every tissue, every organ of the person. So DNA fingerprinting is actually determination of a sequence of nucleotides in the DNA which is unique to that individual, and it remains same in each and every cell, tissue or organ of the person. DNA fingerprinting forms a reliable method for identification of an individual. DNA fingerprinting or profiling involves identifying differences in some specific regions in the DNA sequences, which are called repetitive DNA sequences. The second paragraph is more important. DNA fingerprinting is a reliable method which is used for identification of an individual. It involves finding out differences in some specific regions. Differences in some specific regions in DNA. In some specific regions in DNA, which are called repetitive DNA. Repetitive DNA. 99.9% of DNA sequences among the humans is the same. In the human population, 99.9% of the DNA sequences are same. The differences in DNA sequences, only 0.1%. Only 0.1% differences in DNA sequences make every human unique in phenotype and in genotype. Excepting identical twins, all human beings are different in their appearance only because of this 0.1% differences in DNA. Otherwise, 99.9% DNA sequences are the same in all human beings. Of late, that means recently, DNA sequences of an individual have been found to be constant and typical, just like fingerprints. Of late, it has been found that DNA sequences of an individual, of a human, are constant and typical, just like fingerprinting. This is the basic idea of DNA fingerprinting. You have to learn what is DNA fingerprinting, what is the procedure, how DNA fingerprinting is done, what are the application, what are the usefulness, what are the uses of DNA fingerprinting. Finding out DNA sequences every time to find out the differences between two individuals is expensive and difficult task. Now, what are the applications or usefulness of DNA fingerprinting? Since DNA from blood, hair follicles, skin, bones, saliva, sperms, etc. of an individual show the same degree of polymorphism, they become very useful identification tools in forensic applications. DNA collected from skin, bone, hair follicle, sperm, saliva, blood are identification tools in forensic applications. It is a sure method of identifying the criminals involved in various types of crimes, including rape and murder. Secondly, since polymorphisms are inheritable from parents to children, DNA fingerprinting can provide reliable information to real biological father, mother, or offspring. Determination of real biological parents and children is done through DNA fingerprinting because polymorphisms are inheritable from parents to their progeny. This method is the basis of paternity testing in case of disputes. DNA fingerprinting can establish the closeness of relation of an intending immigrant. It provides information as to human lineage and relationships with various apes. It can identify racial groups, their origin, historical migrations, and invasions. It is useful in gene therapy. The main applications are point 1, 2, and 3. The applications or usefulness. These are the main applications or usefulness of DNA fingerprinting.